way to start your day right here. New car part. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I gotta say, they do really good at packaging everything up. Look at this, beautiful. So we'll start with this mid pipe with the resonator. Let's go ahead and open her up and see what she looks like. Here's the mid pipe right here. Look at these welds though. Just amazing. Titanium is very light, which is really nice. Let's go ahead and open up the rest of this. Another piece right here. Just look at this craftsmanship on these pipes. Do you feel like this is pipe? Well. Oh yeah. This one's gonna be a beauty right here, boys.
Ooh, that thing's huge.
Big baby.
God damn. Oh yeah. That's a fat ass exhaust. My fist just right in there with the watch as well. That exhaust tip could probably swallow them both up.
So lastly, we have this box in here that should have any hardware that we need. Let's see what we got supplied in here. Okay, that's pretty cool. I did not know that they give you guys emblems or things to put on your car. Here's the silencer. I'm gonna actually be using this and testing this out, seeing how this works, because I have to be going to work at 5 in the morning and my neighbors are not gonna like this exhaust. Here we got T-bolt clamps for the exhaust. We got some gaskets that are supplied. That's awesome. And then these are the springs that go on the side of the exhaust to put it together. Some hardware, Allen, sweet. And this, I believe these are exhaust hangers. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Some exhaust hangers, so. Well, without further ado, let's go ahead and take off my ETS Extreme exhaust. We're gonna take those off. We're gonna compare the two exhausts really quick, side by side. And then we're gonna slap on the Tomei and give you guys some sound clips in the first start. I'm gonna go ahead and jack this car up really quick, lift it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and start taking off this exhaust. Everybody really knows how to do an exhaust, but I'll quickly take you guys through it as I do it. Taking off the ETS exhaust is pretty simple. It's gonna be a hanger holding it right there, V-band clamp right here in the center, on the other side. And then we're gonna have it connected all the way to the mid pipe. So we're gonna take all those off really quick and put on the Tomei exhaust. Just one. So here's the two exhausts side by side. Take a guess which one's the Tomei, which one is the ETS? Yeah, okay, I'm not funny. So we're gonna go all the way from the mid pipe out and show you guys the main difference here. So this is the ETS Extreme, no muffler, just resonator. And this is the Tomei with the resonator, and obviously the muffler on it. Just check out the thickness of this pipe compared to this one. And this one's already loud, so keep that in mind.
Nice. That's what I like right there.
So let's go ahead and put it in the car. So let's go ahead and get these two pieces connected before we put it onto the car so it's easier. We're gonna need the little T-bolt clamp that goes right here and then the two springs. All right, now we need to get the springs in here before we get this all the way tightened down, so that way it's compressing it. So there's one guy. So as you can see, those are pretty fun to do. Let's go ahead and do the next. Now we can go ahead and tighten this one down all the way. Just like right here, right in between the two pieces. So after getting that on, I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten this. So these actually come with a little stopper because you don't want to get these too tight, because again, this is titanium. So just go ahead and get it until you can feel the tension on it, on the stopper. Now, let's go ahead and get this in. Thanks to Tomei, they actually send you a gasket. Here's one for stock downpipe, and then here's also if you have a 3-inch aftermarket downpipe, which I do. So we're gonna go ahead and take this one out of the bag. Gonna need that, and we're also gonna need 2 of these. See you under the car.
The shit light as hell.
Let's go ahead and get it under here. Let me just post this camera up. So with the supplied bolt and nut that you have, we want to grab these, grab the gasket. So you want to grab the gasket, put it on. Put that on as well with the nut.
You might not be able to use your exhaust.
Okay, so we got this tightened. We went ahead and got the exhaust hanger in right here. Just be really careful with this exhaust, with this titanium. It is very brittle. Don't want to crack it, bend it, or anything like that. So now let's go ahead and get the rest of the exhaust put together. All right, now we're gonna need to get the little exhaust hanger. So we're gonna grab this exhaust hanger. We're gonna go put it on first, and then we're gonna slide this exhaust inside of it. So then you use a little screw and you close them down together. Exhaust hanger that's right here, not the one back there, so. So there we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the rest of the exhaust on and put it in here.
There we go.
Just get that in there like so. So we found out the hard way that this actually goes on right inside of here so you don't scratch your brand new exhaust.
It's better.
Oh, yes. So there she is, big ass can put on here. So she looks like, so it is actually rubbing a little bit right here. We're gonna have to see, you know, trial and error what happens here. I'll be your guys' test dummy and we'll see if this burns or not. So we'll catch back in about a week or not or so. But let's go ahead and drop the car down. Let's start her up and let's see what this sounds like. All right, we're gonna give it a first start up here. Sorry in advance, neighbors, but do what you gotta do. All right, let's do this thing. Alright, we're gonna test out this silencer. So it comes in 2 pieces. Let me show you. There's this big piece and there's a smaller piece that actually goes inside. So it has 2 different levels of quietness. I actually am kind of scared to even put this piece in and start my car, but I'll do it for you guys. So we'll do this first. Show you how it goes in. So you get this hole and you line it up with that hole. Just gotta stick it in there. Just kind of try to line up the 2 holes like that and then put the bolt that is supplied right in between. So here's a little bolt. You want to put that in here, right into the hole, and tighten it down so it doesn't rattle. Let me do that really quick. There we go, let's start her up. to make it even quieter. Now this thing still moves because I only have one bolt in, but if you want it to be secure, you got to drill 2 more holes. So let's start her up.